and spell a magic.
Honorable KP Singh ji, ex-Minister Government of MP, SDM Sri Mishra ji, Principal Sahab, Sri Madam Manorma, and other guests, students, teachers, professors, press reporters, and everyone present here. I am inspired to say a few words at the time of this occasion, which indeed, in my opinion, is a very significant one, because all of us had assembled here to witness the program arranged by Mr. Rati Ram Dhakar, a devoted teacher of Pichor. Here I see this galaxy of intellectuals, the elite of the town, and thus I can opine that I witness this august body of audience. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to divide my speech into three parts. First, about language. The second, about the students. And the third, about the people of Pichor. Language is a means of communication. You can express your ideas. You can give words to your feelings if you are perfect in language. Otherwise, you are not in a position to do anything. What I want to tell you is that in our country there are hundreds of languages, out of which 22 are recognized by Indian Constitution. In the world, there are 205 countries. In UNO, there are 193 countries. 6 languages are recognized by UNO, but mainly the work is done in English. But my personal opinion is that each language has its importance, not to talk of English only. Each language has its importance for its native speakers. It is their mother tongue. One should be perfect in mother tongue first, and then there is no harm in learning other languages, particularly English. Because English is lingua franca these days. It's an international language. You go to America, north or south. You go to Europe or Africa. You go to Asia or Australasia. You go anywhere in the world, take it for granted if you know English, you are a king. You can express your ideas. You can give words to your feeling. You can say whatever you want to say, and you can understand what they want to say if you know English. So now I would like to tell you something about English. Let me tell you that before 1340, there was no English language. Before 1340, there was no English language. Chaucer has the privilege to be regarded as the father of English language and English poetry. There were only dialects, local dialects, with the final use of E. At the end of each word, there was E. George Bernard Shaw, T.S. Eliot. These days, English is a very powerful international language. But my dear friends and students, if you want to learn English, you should know these 4 things. The first thing is about spellings. There is a difference between Hindi and English. Hindi is a very good language. What we speak, we spell exactly in accordance with that. In English, it is not so. Colonel, the spelling is C-O-L-O-N-E-L, colonel. No, colonel. Lieutenant, L-I-E-U-T-E, and it's necessary that you should be good at pronunciation. If your pronunciation is not good, take it for granted that you cannot. It is always Wednesday. The correct pronunciation is Wednesday. Grammar. No. The correct pronunciation is grammar. Whenever it is R at the end of a word, preceded by a vowel, R is silent. Grammar. English grammar. We are studying grammar. Now, I come to another thing. Whenever there is T-I-O-N at the end of a word, it is shun. Function, not function. Function, invitation, station. It is T-I-O-N. Then I come to syntax. That is sentence formation. How to translate into English. There is a difference. Again, Hindi is powerful. I say, in Hindi we have double future. यदि वह कठिन परिश्रम करेगा future, तो वो उत्तीर्ण हो जाएगा future. In English there is only one future. If he works hard, he will pass. Means in the first clause it is always present indefinite. In the second clause it is future. Similarly, in negative also, in Hindi we have double. जब तक आप कठिन परिश्रम नहीं करते तब तक आप सफल नहीं हो सकते, दोनों जगह नहीं. In English it's not so. Only for. या नजदीक या बगल में. He lives by the college. By means तक. I shall come back by 4 o'clock. But humorous and trial scene stands no comparison. It was the best, very nice. And Ajad Khan Pathan, his Kabbali in English was very good. He is a good artist. He deserves full appreciation for that. Again I say, I would like to talk something to the students of Pichur. My dear students, if you want to be successful in your life, first as a student and later on as a responsible citizen of the country, you should remember these 4 things. The first thing is that you should have optimistic attitude. An optimist is one who takes bright view of life. He goes on working. He fails even before the examination starts. But an optimist is never a loser. He is always a winner. He goes on saying, जिंदगी संघर्ष है स्वीकार करूंगा. जिंदगी संघर्ष है स्वीकार करूंगा. हार हो या जीत अंगीकार करूंगा. मंजिल भले ही बहुत दूर क्यों न हो, लक्ष्य पर तीर का हर बार करूंगा. जिंदगी संघर्ष है स्वीकार. आधे मन से कोई काम होता नहीं. My dear students, you have to remember this thing. आधे मन से कोई काम होता नहीं. आशावादी कभी कुछ खोता नहीं. आने नहीं दूंगा मैं में कमी. मेहनत करने वाला कभी रोता नहीं. रात से ही दिन का सवेरा है, दिन से ही रात का अंधेरा है. रात दिन एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं. फिर डर का किस लिए डेरा है. डर तुम्हें इतना क्यों डराता है. डर नहीं कोई जानवर जो खाता है. डर से डरना जो छोड़ देते, डर नहीं उनके पास आता है. डर से डरना जो छोड़ देते, डर नहीं उनके पास आता. The second thing is discipline. I want you to be disciplined, and I am very happy to learn that the students of Pichur are very much disciplined. Discipline is to do the right thing at the right time, in right manner, so that you may have right result. And this is the reason I say, अनुशासन जीवन सुगंध है. अनुशासन जीवन सुगंध है. जहां कहीं ये बहती हर्षित और प्रफुल्लित करती, सबको सबक ये देती. करो वही नियमानुसार जो उसमें अनुशासन रहता है. सही कार्य को सही समय पर सही रूप में करता है. Then the third thing is time. Time and tide wait for none. If you can keep pace with the time, time will definitely help you, support you, succor you, and take you to your destination. This, of course, I explain through one of my Hindi poems, in which I say, आज करें हम काम हमारे, कल किसने है देखा. आज करें हम काम हमारे, कल किसने है देखा. कल कल की इस कल कल में कहीं बदल न जाए जीवन रेखा. करना है तो अभी आज कर, नहीं तो कर नहीं पाएगा. आज के काम को कल पर छोड़ा तो तू ही पछताएगा. देखा किसने कल के कल को, कल तो आ नहीं पाएगा. कल का कल तो कल. सीखना है तो सीखो कल से जो कल निकल चुका है. जाते जाते कहता जाता कल का कल अब गुजर चुका है. पर क्या तुम अब कर पाए हो जो भी सोच रहे थे करना. यूं ही समय गुजरता जाता, केवल कहते कल कल करना. सोचना कल का अब तो छोड़ो, अभी आज से नाता जोड़ो. मन में तुम विश्वास जगाकर झूठे प्रलोभन सारे तोड़ो. सीखो काम समय पर करना, वर्तमान में जीवन जीना. जो भी करना आज करो तुम, छोड़ो अब तो कल कल करना. क्योंकि देखा किसने कल के कल को, कल तो आ नहीं पाएगा. कल का कल तो कल कल करता, कल कल में ढल जाएगा. And the fourth thing, that is the last thing I would like to tell you, is hard work. You should work hard. You should not be afraid of difficulties or troubles. Trouble troubles you because you trouble the trouble by thinking trouble as a trouble. Trouble will not trouble you if you trouble not trouble by thinking trouble as a trouble. Inconvenience, wrongly taken is inconvenience. Rightly taken is adventure. Take it rightly and it is adventure for you and go in saying अभी तो बहुत काम करने हैं मुझको, अभी तो बहुत लक्ष्य पाने हैं मुझको, अभी तो शुरुआत है जिंदगी की, अभी तो बहुत नाम करने हैं मुझको, न चुपचाप यूं ही मैं बैठा रहूंगा, न आलस न डर है न आराम लूंगा, मुश्किलें आएंगी चली जाएंगी, जाते जाते मुश्किलें ये कह जाएंगी, मुश्किलों को मिला मुश्किलों से कोई, मुश्किलों में भी जिसने न हिम्मत खोई, मुश्किलें ही तो मेरा मार्ग दे जाएंगी, मुश्किलें ही तो लक्ष्य तक ले जाएंगी। मुश्किलें दोस्त हैं, ये तो दुश्मन नहीं, मुश्किलों में कोई साथ देता नहीं, मुश्किलें साथ हैं, मुश्किलों में मेरे, मुश्किलों ही से तो बदले हैं दिन ये मेरे, मुश्किलें तो ये सीख देती मुझे, छुड़वाना हर बार कहती मुझे काम पर चल पड़ो काम हो जाएगा, मुश्किलों से भी मुश्किल काम हो जाएगा। मुश्किलें साथ हैं डर किस बात का, मुश्किलें दोस्त हैं गम किस बात का, मुश्किलों से भी मुश्किल क्या मुश्किल होगी, मुश्किलों में तो तय मेरी मंजिल होगी, मंजिल तो मिली मुश्किलों से सही, दोस्त परखे मैंने मुश्किलों में सभी, दोस्त सुख के हैं दुख में न मिलता कोई, मुश्किलों में मुश्किलों से साथ देता कोई, मुश्किलें साथ हैं पास मेहनत मेरी, लक्ष्य पाने में मुझको न लगती देरी, मुश्किलें मुश्किलों से मेहनत करनी है मुझको, सुबह हो या शाम एक ही हसरत है मुझको, लक्ष्य से भी आगे बहुत आगे बढ़ना है मुझको, मुश्किलों में न आराम करना है मुझको। And now the last thing, that is the third thing I would like. Of Pichor are good. The teachers of Pichor are good. The professors of Pichor are good, including principal. The officers of Pichor are good. The judges of Pichor are good. The people of Pichor are good. The lawyers of Pichor are good. And the leader of Pichor is good. Absolutely clear. He is devoted to duty and dedicated to profession. For that he deserves appreciation. What I anticipate is that he is going to touch the zenith MP. Definitely a day will come when he will see that he is going to be something and he will be, nothing is impossible in this world, because he believes